Hello everyone, welcome back. This is day 2. And honestly, day 2 is more important than day 1 because day 1 is full of excitement, but day 2 is test your intention. Yesterday, many people start something new, but today, many people already stop. So, if you are here watching this video, it means you are still here. And that itself says something about you. Why day 2 is difficult? Let me share something real. After uploading my day 1 video, I felt happy, but also I nervous. Questions started coming into my mind. Will anyone watch my next video? What if day 2 is not as good? What if I run out of things to say? And then I realized this is exactly the moment where most people quit. Not because they can't do it, but because they start overthinking. The truth about consistency is not about motivation. Motivation is loud on day 1, but consistency is quiet on day 2, day 3, day 10. Consistency is saying, I'll show up even when I don't feel special. No celebration, no excitement, just commitment. And honestly, this is where growth really starts. A story everyone can relate to. Let me ask you something. Have you ever joined a gym and stopped after 1 week? Started learning English and quit after a few days? Made a promise to yourself but didn't continue? You are not lazy, you are human. We love starting, but we struggle with continuing because continuing requires patience. Why I'm still recording today? Today I could easily say I'll record tomorrow, but tomorrow easily becomes next week, and next week becomes never. So instead of waiting for the perfect mood, I choose to respect my decision. This video is not perfect, my English is not perfect, but my intention is clear, and that is enough for today. A message for viewers. If you are someone who feels I start things but don't finish, I lose confidence very fast. I'm scared of being consistent. Then listen carefully. You don't need to be strong forever. You only need to be strong today. Just today. Tomorrow, we will handle tomorrow. Small steps matter. People think change need big action, but real change happens with small steps repeated daily without drama. Even 5 minutes of English speaking every day is better than 2 hours once a month. Progress is boring sometimes, but it works. Why I'm sharing this publicly? I'm sharing this journey publicly because it keeps me accountable. It gives me courage, and maybe it helps you feel less alone. We don't grow in silence. We grow when we speak, even imperfectly. So, this is day 2. No exciting, no dramatic, but honest. And honesty lasts longer than motivation. If you are still watching this video, thank you for staying. I'll see you tomorrow with another real conversation, one day at a time, one step forward.